Hello everybody, listen Bunny 99, aka Elizabeth Dawson here. Welcome back for the video. Today in this video, I got this Obey Me Glow to Dark Lucifer Plus. I ordered from Makeship. So let's get all you need to do if you had a hard time to open, use the scissors in case. However, if you're planning to make this video like open it, don't not make the video while so the address what we went. So keep yourself private. I keep myself private, you know. Safety reason. So and I'm so glad it's here. Let's open it up. You know, I can't wait to see what I get. On. Oh, I really do like this bag. It's so cute. From Makeship. If you got a one, Obey Me, the checking inside.